A successful decorator by trade, Ruth Campbell Bigelow's business was in decline following the crash of '29. So in 1945, she focused her creative energies on formulating a better cup of tea. After weeks in the kitchen of her New York City brownstone, Ruth found inspiration in an early colonial recipe and emerged with the first cup of specialty tea in the country and the start of the Bigelow Tea Company.
Ruth was soon joined in this endeavor by her husband, David E. Bigelow, Sr. Relying on his strong financial background, his supervision of the finances was instrumental in assuring the fledgling company's survival. Today, the company continues to change tastes, and it all started with Ruth's inventive blend of black tea, orange rinds, and sweet spices. That and the high praise from friends' constant comments, which is how her world-famous brew got its name.
Ruth, David Sr., and the arrival of Constant Comment in 1945 is what built the company's early successes. It was David Jr. and his wife Eunice who pioneered the explosion of Bigelow tea varieties that we all enjoy today. Their idea to launch specialty tea through grocery channels in the 1970s was groundbreaking. Another milestone under their leadership was the development of the signature foil pouch, still the industry standard for protecting tea's freshness and flavor.
Over the decades, David Jr. relied upon the unwavering support of Eunice to lead the company with integrity and passion. Their determination brought the Bigelow Tea Company to its current prominence as America's #1 specialty tea company and its ability to give back to the community. In 2003, they made a considerable investment toward the preservation of the Charleston tea plantation in South Carolina, restoring it to its former grandeur. Its facilities now provide over 70,000 annual visitors with a wholesome slice of Americana and an education on the growing and harvesting of tea.
Today, Cindy Bigelow is the third-generation president and CEO of the company. Her passion for the family's treasured recipes has occasioned travels as far as the tea gardens of Sri Lanka and the orchards in Calabria, Italy, that produce the finest lemons, mint, and oil of bergamot. Equally concerned with community and sustainability issues, Cindy initiated the annual Bigelow Tea Community Challenge that has resulted in gifts of over $1.4 million to local charities since 1987. In 2009, she launched the company's Tea for the Troops program that to date has donated over 5 million tea bags to deployed and veteran military personnel. Also under her leadership, Bigelow Tea became one of the first Connecticut companies to install solar panels to offset energy usage, leading to added innovations that have earned Bigelow Tea the distinction of being a zero-waste-to-landfill company.
Today, Bigelow Tea, the country's leading specialty tea company, is based in Fairfield, Connecticut, with manufacturing plants in Louisville, Kentucky, and Boise, Idaho that combined produce 2 billion tea bags annually. The entrepreneurial spirit of this family-owned company has resulted in 150 varieties of flavored, traditional, green, organic, herbal, decaffeinated, and iced teas, including, of course, its flagship specialty tea flavor, Constant Comment, an all-time American favorite.